Dr. Gupta, should we now just open it up? Everybody above 18 or 16, whatever it is, and be done with it? Because honestly, in some states, there are lines forming for people to get the vaccines. In most states, they're not. They've made it walk-in now in several states where you don't even need to pre-register, and still not enough people, not in the numbers we need. So should we just open it up to the entire population? What do we do?
I think we were advocating this for last couple of weeks, that it should be opened up for everybody, because we know that, I will correct your data also, we have received only 0.6% of the population, those have received both the doses. Only this is 0.6%.
Correct.
It is 5% those who have received one dose.
Correct.
It means we have immunized only 0.6% of our population till now in the last more than 2 months. So that is quite slow speed. I think government was little slow in the initial stage. They were little hesitant regarding the purchase of vaccine also. Even the awareness was not created enough, and there was very confusion between the opposition and the government party and Dharm Guru, media and bureaucrats. That's why there was a confusion across the community that vaccine is not safe, it is not efficacious, it is having side effect. Initially, that was the reason that turn-up was very low in the few months, few weeks. But now everybody knows that is vaccine is must for everybody, and it should be opened up.
So there's a reality check. Okay. So we've just mentioned that the number of people is going up, steadily going up per day. Okay. Initially, we were seeing in centers in which 8 or 9 or 10 people got the vaccine in a day, and that is now in the hundreds. So what is the level we need to hit? Because Dr. Mishra said as at least 1 crore. Dr. Gyani says, look, we should be able to hit 2 crore a day. What's a reasonable figure which we need to hit?
Actually, we were not implementing our strategic planning, what we have thought. We were thinking that we were planned that we were immunized 30 crore before this April, by the end of this April. With this speed, we cannot inoculate 30 crore of high risk or vulnerable population also. That cannot be inoculated. Therefore, I am totally agree with Dr. Mishra that we should at least minimum 1 crore per day. It should be done. It should be done 24/7. It should be done wherever it is possible, 12 hours a day. Even like our hospital, we are doing 7 days a week, and we are inoculating 500 per day, and we have a capacity to inoculate 2,000 per day. So there are private hospitals, government hospitals, they are having infrastructure, logistics, manpower. They can
inoculate. What's the issue, Dr. Gupta? Because I took my parents to get their vaccine. They get their second dose on Sunday. So what's the issue? Because the process itself was not complicated. They even had initially this long 3-page form, which now they've done away with, thankfully. So it's pretty simple. You walk in, you wait half an hour, it only takes a minute to get the dose, and you leave. So where is the complication happening? Are we still worried about not enough doses? What is the concern?
I think there is a limitation of the age limit. That is the main problem. Process is very simple. SOPs are very clear, and everybody is trained, and we are having a lot of experience in immunization. We are having more than 70-year-old immunization program, and we are covering through ANM, GNM, and doctors.
So it's an age limit problem. More and more people. Okay, Dr. Gupta. So now, where do we then draw the consensus? The logic should be that within the next week to 10 days, we should open it up to everyone above 16. And we should then try to hit the 10 million a day mark. That of course won't impact this current wave, sir. So how much worse do you think this becomes?
I think as early as possible we should open up for everybody, and not we should open up vaccine for everybody. We should try to procure other vaccines also. We have now 12 vaccines across the world. They have been approved by different countries. They are good vaccines like Sputnik vaccine, Johnson & Johnson, Moderna, Pfizer. They should allow to Indian market also. There are so many people who can afford it. Even our tier 1 cities, they can have that refrigeration capacity also. They can maintain their temperature also. Why we are not allowing other vaccines to come up in India? We are exporting our vaccine. We are not importing the vaccines. So there should be balance between the import and export also. And we can afford. And there are good vaccines also, like single dose vaccine. Johnson, they have the single dose vaccine. That will be very good. Therefore, I think even I will agree with one of the panelists that we should now, this is a high time, we should do outreach program. We should make kiosks with the mobile units, with the emergency setup in the nearby societies, corporates, companies, industrial units, and Bharat Ghars, RWH house, so that we can inoculate as fast as possible, because it's a very safe vaccine. We have till now given it to more than 6 crore of the population. It is efficacy and safety is proven right now, and with the precaution and with the emergency equipment, it can be done. And we are doing
here's another Dr. Gupta. Again, the same thought. What do we do tomorrow, day after? Because the vaccine, no matter even if we double the doses tomorrow, it's not going to solve this current fourth peak. So what do we do in the next couple of days, sir?
I think we should focus on, as rightly said by Dr. Briefly, that we should focus on COVID appropriate behavior, because this is the only thing that we can do right now, and we should focus on testing, tracking, treatment, and last is Tikakaran. 4 T's, they are all are important with the COVID appropriate
Okay,
behavior.
I have to ask you the obvious question. Has the time come to start thinking of, cutting down on public services? I don't want to use the word lockdown because everybody hates it now. But has the time come, in 2-3 states like Maharashtra, for example?
No, I think this is not the right solution, because we cannot have a lockdown for long term, and it will persist for at least couple of months. This way will persist. Therefore, the COVID strict implementation of the COVID appropriate behavior everywhere on the public places, that will be, I think, right policy with all 4 T's: tracing, testing, and
Okay, but